Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to talk about Chainlink. We're going to look at Chainlink levels that are currently approaching, where we could be headed in the coming days and weeks, and then also we're going to look at the Fibonacci retracement tool for Chainlink and see if we can see any patterns playing out or see any levels that are important to watch coming up. So if you like that, if you like the content, feel free to give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. And also follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon, all linked in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started. Chainlink is currently the number 10 ranked coin on CoinMarketCap. It's trying to overtake Litecoin. We're not too far away from doing that. Could do it anytime. So let's go ahead and get started. On the charts, this is the Fibonacci retracement from our swing low to when we started our move. We draw it to the top. You can see when we came back down, we didn't quite hit our golden retracement, but we did hold support at our 100-day. So with a Fibonacci tool, if your moving averages hold or do not hold, then your next level to watch is your Fibonacci levels. So as you can see, we didn't hold as full support on our 50-day, but we did hold on our Fibonacci 0.5 retracement. Look at that, to the dollar. This one held on the moving average. This one held on the Fibonacci. So it's kind of double power. Now look at this now. The 0.5 right now is perfectly coinciding with the 100-day moving average. So that would be like a double safety net, so to speak, if you could follow along with that, if you understand. So as we move down here, you can see our current price. We're right at 28. So our next level to watch for support is our 50-day right here. It's just currently, if you look on the left, 26.73. That will change a little bit, but not quite as much as fast as the 21-day, which we've already broken through so far. So if we hold the 50-day, we would look for a bounce. If we don't bounce, our next level will be right under it, 26.25. If we break both of those, here's our next level, $23. So good to have this in the back of your head so you know where we're going, more than likely, and you're not just, closing your eyes and just hoping it goes back up like most people do. And that's fine. Usually in a bull market like we're in, the less experience you have, the less trading you want to do. The more trades you make, the more wrecked you're probably going to be. And maybe you're already familiar with that. So the less experience is usually the less trades you want to do, especially in a bull market. Most of these times are going to be temporary. You're going to be going back up. And it's not that you don't think prices are going to continue going down. In a bull market, prices can reverse on a dime and go back up and leave you in the dust. And then you end up FOMOing back in much higher prices. Maybe all this sounds familiar to you. So it's not, don't blame yourself. A lot of new traders do that. A lot of new traders try to overtrade and try to outthink the market. You have to have a strategy and get your emotions out of it. Emotions are a money killer, and if you're trading based on what you think is going to happen, you're more than likely going to get destroyed. So get a plan, follow me, follow us. I've been in the markets for about 5 years now. I do this full time, so I'm here to help people. If you like that, follow us along. Try us out for a little bit. Give us a run. Give us a test run. So this is Chainlink, what I have for you for today. That's what you want to watch. A little bit bigger time frame for Chainlink. This is the weekly now. We've gone up to the weekly. If we continue going down and we bust through all of those levels, look at this level. See how many interactions, see how many flat candles. There's a close right here. There's a close right here. Here's a close right here. All at the same level. So this is a key level. 24.77-ish. Right in there, 24.75. So if we're continuing to drop, I would say that is a big level. Watch for that. There's your next level to watch. So hopefully you're writing these down or taking a mental snapshot, because I'm telling you, these are the levels that we're going to go to. One of these levels I've talked about is going to be support. So pay attention. I'm here to help you make money and lose less of it. So if we break this, where do you think we're going? What did I just talk about? The moving averages. Your next level of support is your 21-week EMA. Now, EMA stands for exponential moving average, if you're not aware. This, in a bull market, is your final safety net. It usually acts as a huge safety net. As you can see, we haven't broken that since we've in over 2020, and we haven't broken that with besides a wick. Wicks don't really matter. The candle bodies is what matters in bull markets. So yes, the price can temporarily come below, like you saw back in here, but with the giant wick, you have a lot of buying pressure shooting you back up. Think of it like a rocket. So it's shooting you up. A lot of people coming in and buy these levels. So we haven't had a close candle below their 21 week line. Look at this. Since over a year, right? March of 2020 was our last time we went down before our insane run that we've had with Chainlink. So last time we were below it, Chainlink was at a whopping $2, just over $2, right? So this is in a bull market on any coin, your 21-week EMA is your huge safety net. You fall through that, you're going through big trouble. So now, again, when I say big trouble, you can go through it, but you just don't want to close your candle. That's on any time frame. Wicks, you can't pay attention to, because if you get too bogged down into that and you just focus on price levels and you see it going through it, sometimes as a newer trader, you can get overexcited and start selling, because this psychologically is going to be bad, because these wicks usually happen very quick, and then they usually rocket back out. So you have to wait for them to close before you make any decisions. And usually you want to have 2 candles close to make a decision, because one breaks it and the second will confirm it. And if you break down through it, like this one looked like you were almost through it, and then you close the very next day way back up here. So keep that in the back of your mind too. Again, I appreciate you being here. If you stayed around this long, thank you. 2 thumbs up. Give us a test run if you're new. I appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.